last night I had so much fun with our production team at our team night. Now, all it was just a fun night that everybody could come. There was no pressure. There was no pressure to perform. There was no pressure to do anything. However, what you had to do was you had to eat and you had to play games. That was it. Now, I got pizza and cookies and soda and the best junk food you could imagine. And then in the auditorium, we had a Nintendo Switch set up on the big screens where we played Super Smash Bros. And then had Nintendo Sports and a couple other things. And it was just a lot of fun watching people come out of their shells, get competitive, work with one another, and that was it. I mean, there was nothing else to it. It was just fun, and that's the reason why I did it. And the most important thing about these team nights is that it shows that you appreciate them, because after all, you are expecting excellence and attendance out of them. Since, let's face it, you probably have a midweek rehearsal, and they're probably going to have to be the first ones there on Sunday morning to get everything powered up and make sure everything's running smoothly, and have a rehearsal, and then go live for the gathering and everything else. So you're expecting a lot out of them. By implementing these team nights, I truly do believe that it will help your team grow stronger and more efficient and have a lot more fun doing it. Now, I hope you got value out of this. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.